A bit better than yesterday, but very windy. Posh bin. Look at that, another posh bin. Information board. Map. Up until about half an hour ago, which was about 6:30, British summertime because the clocks went forward, I was thinking we might actually get out on the water today because it was really quite calm. And then the hoolie started. So I'd have a quick walk down to the water's edge. You can see which way the wind's blowing as well. Yeah, not the best. Ah well. Princess is still in bed. Looks nice with those daffodils, doesn't it? Anyway, when I got up this morning and got out of the van, I saw something on top of this hill and I thought it looked quite interesting. So I thought I'll just go for a quick look. It looks like a really big bench just coming into view underneath that tree centre screen. Looks really weird. Yeah, can you see that in the early rays? It's like a huge seat. Well, it is a huge seat. Check that out, it's taller than me. It's massive. Can't even get it all in the shot. Bye bye big seat and dramatic skyline. She's alive! She's alive! Right, we've made a decision. It's calmed down a little bit. So we're going to bob out for an hour and just mess about. The baboons are going out! We're out! I think as soon as you go past that bridge, it's going to be really bad. Can you see the water flow through that?
What, through the bridge?
Yeah. The wind can half hit you. It's funneling down here. I think we'll just be staying close to the edge. My God, it's just blowing me back. I think we'll just stay close to this edge on this side, John. That's a bit too strong, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that felt a little bit risky actually. That felt a bit risky and a bit too much like hard work. I don't think we're going to do an awful lot. Especially with a skegless craft. I mean, it is just bobbing us around. As soon as we kind of got through that bridge area there, we couldn't get any further. The wind is just really strong. You might be able to see from the way it's kind of funneling through just behind John there. The way the water's funneling through. Right, I'm risking life and limb. I'm just going to have a little paddle down here for a bit towards the holiday park. It's a little bit more sheltered down here. It's as soon as you get out there where it's kind of exposed, it just feels a bit brutal. And I just kind of want to see if we can get back. See what it's like paddling against the breeze from here. I might have made a mistake, John! The wind's picked up. No, it's doable, it's doable. I'm only joking. Right, I'm going to go and have a little mooch down here. So there are some buoys out there. I'm not quite sure what they're for. Probably mooring buoys. They look like they've got pinions on the top. You can see that bridge better from here. It's a shame because I kind of wanted to paddle across if nothing else. But you're just going to get broadsided by those currenty wave thing. It's going to just be a bit of a chew. The thing that makes it a bit risky today is the gusts. It's alright when it's like this, when it's just kind of blowing steady, but it's gusting hard and that's what makes it feel a bit daunting, to be honest. Up ahead, just going above that bridge, there's a red kite. Do you see that red kite above the bridge, John? That's got to be the shortest trip I've ever done. We spent all the 15-20 minutes just bobbing around in that little cove. It was just too gusty. Right, we're on the move again. We're going over to Castle Douglas. Breakfast, bit of shopping, and then have some fun somewhere. It's nice now, it's not raining. John's got a TV aerial. He's got a TV in that van. He's got a TV aerial on the top and it's blown off. So we're just pulling over to sort that out. Sorted, off we go to Castle Douglas. Here we go, Castle Douglas. Looks nice, doesn't it? Don't look very horny, does it? Found somewhere for breakfast. Oh, look, there it is. Scottish Dirty Butty. That's where we've just had breakfast. Right, we're now heading over to B&M to do a little bit of shopping. Now, we've got a challenge on. We set each other a bit of a challenge. We've got to buy something in B&M for a tenner. Now, I've got to buy John something, John's going to buy me something, and it's something we've got to use on this trip. So, yeah, don't know how this is going to go. So what I buy John will be in his video, what he buys me will be in my video. So subscribe to Rough Paddling if you want to see what I get him. Even I don't know what it is yet. So I'm in B&M. What can I get John for a tenner that he has to use? This is the pet food aisle. I don't think I'm going to find anything here. Furniture and lighting. Alright, so I sorted it. It's going through the till. Hell of an unusual tree. Right, okay, back at the vans. Let's see what John got me. I've just handed mine over to him. You'll have to watch his video to find out what I got him. Let's see what he's got me.
I've got you a little power bank.
That's very civilised.
Yeah, I thought it'd be useful.
Juice. I've got extra juice. It's not like I'll ever use power on this trip. In other news, in B&M, they ID'd me for buying this alcoholic popcorn. Quick brake light fix on the Expert, done by
An amateur.
an amateur. I was going to say an expert, but you know, we'll go with amateur. Yeah, I did happen to clock that his brake light was out on the way here, so we thought we'd sort that out en route. Right, there's a skate park just down the road, so we're going to go and have a look and see if we can play with some trucks there. Nice little church coming into view there, and then as you pan across, there's a little lock over there, and skate parks in this area. Alright, so we've had some fun with those, run the batteries out. I have got more batteries, but I'll charge those up and stuff later. We'll save the batteries for another day. Now, Mr. Ruffles has got DJI Neo, and I've got the FPV version, so he's just going to have a little play with his. The wind is a bit ropey in this area. We won't be going too high and doing much mad stuff with them, because, yeah, it's still a bit breezy. You might be able to see those trees. He's up in the air, he's using his phone controller as the controller. So John's just having a go with my FPV Neo. It is a weird experience flying this. Is it making you feel dizzy at all?
A little bit, not majorly.
Oh, that was straight over your head. Right, bring it into land. So turn it round you, keep going forward. Oh, that's it. Bring it towards me. Stop there, then move your thumb across, press and hold. Done. Nice flying, sir. We're going to a mausoleum that's on the outskirts of Castle Douglas. bite to eat and see if we can do a bit of FPV flying in the area. I had to take my socks off before I set off from bloody Tesco's. My feet were just getting so hot.
Really?
Yeah. So I say, I'm freaking hate socks. Crap shot of a church in the sunlight. Turn round. Lovely view. We're off to the mausoleum. Food, stool, short walk. Ugly friend. Here we go. Place where dead people go. We thought we'd come and have a look. Talking of dead people.
Hey, dead inside.
Oh look, it's fenced off. Fenced off. I think it could be quite fun to just fly around here a bit. Mind you, there's a few low flying trees. Low flying trees? Ooh, look at that for a root base. Scotch pancakes and yoghurt. Food of the gods. Right, I'm giving this another go around the mausoleum. John's going to act as my spotter just to make sure I don't do anything stupid to tell me if I'm going sideways on into anything. Can't go all the way around the mausoleum because there are trees down. Right, I need to sit upright. I can't see. Oh, circle. There we go. So let's go. Let's just do a flyby in front of us.
I think you flew.
I am through.
Yeah.
Oh, my first thread in the needle. Oh wow, that felt weird.
Is he droning record?
Oh no.
Is it not?
No. Press record. Right, okay. Let's try some stuff again. So we're out of, that's just out of the range there. You know when I set that range? That's just beyond that range I set. Fly down here, turn it around. Let's go see if we can thread that needle again. Yes. I'm going to have to come in low.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, that went through. That was alright.
Yeah.
Considering I was a little bit up high. Oh, it's there. Will it do
That's cool.
That is cool, isn't it? We're heading over to somewhere we've seen on Park for the night as a potential spot to stay over. Currently 4 o'clock. We've had a bit of fun today, it's been good. What with a quick bob about on the water this morning, bit of skate park fun with the remote control cars, bit of FPV fun. Good day so far, and at least it's bright and sunshiny. Winner! Nice little drive this. Got to admit, it's been an absolutely stunning day. It's been complete change to yesterday. It's been lovely. Another quaint little Scottish village. Alright, we've found where we're staying tonight. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Kind of tomorrow morning, when the back doors open, that'll be the view. Lovely, and it's an easy launch point. We just checked it out, so we can get out on the water tomorrow and have a splash about. Nice! The fun you can have with cheap gliders from B&M Home Stores. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that went right towards the camera, didn't it? Oh, fucking tree.
Oh yeah.
Yes! Longest flight so far, I think. Stuck in a tree again. I've done it several times. Can you see it stuck in that tree? It's alright, I've been stuck in this one several times. Big kids, big kids. So one of the things I brought with me on this holiday was the All Power 600 charger, power station I should say. And I'm currently charging up the Neo drone batteries, charging up the MGX Hypergo truck battery, and charging up this 3-cell battery that I was using in the buggy this morning. Currently drawing 65 watts output, but yeah, it should charge all those up. And I've been keeping this charged in the van during the day using an aftermarket 12-volt socket that I've got. And now I think it's time to chill out for a bit. I've got the fire pit ready, going to be using that a bit later. Got a few additional twigs, big bag of cat litter for said fire pit, but most importantly, it's beer o'clock. How are you, sir?
All right. Yeah. I just closed. Oh, you feel? I just closed about 15 Chrome tabs.
Nice.
Yeah.
You're having an awesome holiday. You're just rocking it.
Absolutely.
Got that set off. We've just been having a bit of a fanny about with the DJI Neo because we've both got them, so we've been playing about. I've had a bit of drone fun tonight. I've shown you the footage already. Yeah, it's been nice. Polystyrene planes and drone fun. And beer. Nice! Sun setting over there. It's kind of glorious really.
This is just as glorious.
Really? So, just gone 9 o'clock. We've had a good day again. Really enjoyed it. Funny little paddle. Lots of remote control stuff, fun. And then we had that little competition, well, little game that John and I played to see what we could get each other for a tenner that we'd use on a night when we got back. So, what John got me was one of these little micro power banks, 5,000 milliamp hours, and I'm using it to charge the walkie-talkie that we've been using on this trip. So, yeah, cheers, John. Little pocket power bank, powering the walkie-talkie power. What's up? He's knocking on the van, the knobhead. Right. Going to do some reading. I'm going to get some food. I've got loads of snacks and stuff in here. I've not had an awful lot to eat today, so I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. We are by this nice loch. We're going to go out for a paddle early doors. Should be nice. See you tomorrow. This is lovely, isn't it?
Like a pond, isn't it?
It's a big pond, yeah.
Man's breakfast.
John wants to crawl through the swirly whirly thing. What have you lost? Marbles.
Yeah.
Whoa! John's enjoying the little MJX Hypergo. He's learning how to cartwheel it. Oopsie daisy, batteries went. Now where the hell was I? Oh, my noodles and...